Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a game changer for anyone looking to build wealth from scratch, boosting your credit score. If you weren't born with a silver spoon, this is your chance to turn things around fast. This issue is crucial for you to start building generational wealth fast. Imagine securing a mortgage, starting your own business, or achieving financial freedom, even on a modest salary of $3,000 a month. Sound impossible? Think again. It's easier than you think. Watch this video to learn how to craft a rock-solid credit score that makes banks eager to help you grow your wealth. Let's dive in and start building your financial future today. What is a credit score? What does it mean? A credit score is a numerical representation of a person's creditworthiness, based on their credit history. It ranges typically from 300 to 850, with higher scores indicating better credit risk. This score helps lenders determine the likelihood that an individual will repay borrowed money on time. Factors influencing a credit score include payment history, amounts owed, length of credit history, new credit, and types of credit used. Let's break it down. Understanding credit score components. What makes up your credit score? It's simple and very easy to understand. It's like a report card for your financial health and is made up of the following variables. Payment history 35%, amounts owed 30%, length of credit history 15%, new credit 10%, types of credit in use 10%. Importance of payment history. The most critical factor in your financial journey is your payment history. Always ensure your bills are paid on time. This step is essential for becoming an attractive and reliable potential customer for the bank, breaking free from the 9-to-5 grind, and start creating wealth, as it makes up 35% of your credit score. Paying on or before the agreed cutoff date with your bank or financial institution is non-negotiable. This commitment must be upheld, no matter what. Managing debt levels, amounts owed. Next up, manage your debt levels. Keep your credit card balances low. Aim to use less than 30% of your available credit with the banks or any other financial institution, especially the money tied to credit cards. For instance, if your credit limit is $1,000, try to keep your balance below $300. Building a long credit history. A longer credit history improves your score. So, start using credit responsibly as early as you can and keep older accounts open. The smallest period of time one typically needs to establish a good credit history for banks to consider lending money for a house, business, or credit card is generally around 1 to 2 years. Credit cards. Often, you can qualify for a credit card with just 6 months to 1 year of credit history, especially if you have been diligent about making payments on time and keeping your credit utilization low. Personal loans. For a personal loan, lenders usually look for at least 1 year of credit history to assess your creditworthiness. Avoiding new credit applications. Be cautious with new credit applications. To maintain a great credit score and look good to banks, having 2 to 3 well-managed credit cards is generally recommended. This number is often sufficient to demonstrate responsible credit use and achieve the following benefits. Credit utilization. Multiple cards help maintain a lower credit utilization ratio by spreading balances across more available credit. Credit history. Regular, on-time payments across several cards build a positive payment history. Credit mix. Having a mix of credit types, including revolving credit from credit cards, can positively impact your credit score. Diversifying your credit mix. Types of credit in use. Lenders prefer to see a variety of credit types, such as credit cards, car loans, and mortgages. A diverse credit portfolio can enhance your credit score. If you only have credit cards, you might consider taking out a small personal loan. However, this should only be done if you can manage it without compromising your financial well-being. Now that you understand the variables and conditions necessary to start building wealth from scratch with a 9-to-5 job and a modest monthly salary, let's explore some crucial personal financial tips you must follow to create a bulletproof and solid financial profile. Monitoring and correcting errors. Obtain free credit reports from annualcreditreport.com and check for any inaccuracies. Regularly check your credit report for errors. If you find any, dispute them immediately to avoid unnecessary hits to your score. If you find any errors, dispute them with the credit bureau. Building savings and cash reserves. Saving for a down payment and maintaining an emergency fund are crucial. Aim for at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses in savings. Lenders often require proof of reserves that could cover 2 to 6 months of mortgage payments. Preparing for pre-approval. Finally, get pre-approved for your mortgage. This will give you a clear idea of how much you can borrow and show sellers you're serious. Use credit building tools. Secured credit cards. If you're new to credit, start with a secured credit card. Credit builder loans. These can help build a payment history. Authorized user status. Being added as an authorized user on someone else's account can help if they have good credit. Time and consistency. Creating or improving your credit score is not an overnight process. It requires consistent and responsible credit behavior over time. Depending on where you start, it might take several months to years to build an excellent credit score. The earlier you start taking conscious steps to build a great credit score, the better. In summary, while it may take time and effort to achieve a high credit score, by following these practices diligently, you can become the type of borrower that all banks and financial institutions are eager to lend to. So there you have it, the steps to build or improve your credit score and boost your chances of achieving wealth from scratch. Consistent, responsible financial habits are key. Begin as early as possible because time is your greatest ally when creating wealth while working a 9-to-5 job with a modest monthly salary. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the like button, share it, and subscribe to our channel for more tips and advice on building wealth and managing your personal finances easily and practically while working a 9-to-5 job. We can all achieve financial success. It's not a matter of how or what, but when. Start now and take control of your financial future.